So hi everyone, how you all doing? It's been a very hectic Sunday for me, and after doing many things, and like tomorrow is my sister's birthday, so I have to do many things. So recording this video this late. Okay, so I will just talk about few of the things that I have realized while working with some of my clients. Okay, and what are the things that you can work upon if you are doing the same niche. Okay, if you are working upon same things. For example, I will be talking about some of the subscription model. Okay, if you are someone who is selling some kind of subscription kind of thing. Okay, for example, you are selling some kind of 500 rupees per month, 1000 rupees per month, 3000 rupees per year. These kind of models, if you're running in your mind, because I have worked with these clients, and these clients are not like some of the initial level player. These are like big players who have big credibility in their industry, the top level industry, and some of them are also featured in Shark Tank. Okay, so first of all, whenever you start with the subscription model kind of thing, whether it is some kind of service kind of or advisory kind of thing, or maybe you are giving them something on a month basis, every monthly basis. Okay, so first of all, you need to work upon the pricing and affordability. Okay, so for example, if you are entering into the market, you cannot just enter into the market by saying that your plan start at 1000 rupees and just like start purchasing it. You now have to understand about the market fit. Okay, whether people have that kind of problem or not, whether people are suffering from those kind of problem, and then give them a trial based solution, basically, which can be start with low as 500 rupees per month, so that they can get used to your servicing offerings, etc. Okay, and you cannot just directly pitch the your yearly subscriptions or not on those. So first of all, focus upon the trial membership, monthly membership, quarterly membership, and then you can proceed for the bigger membership of yearly and things, because people only can take yearly plans and those big subscriptions in which they have they will get the same thing, but for a longer period of time and maybe at a lower cost. Okay, so for example, you can start with low cost entry plans. Okay, you can also do three kind of pricing models. First of all, you can have a lower cost entry plans, which is like 499 rupees per month. Second, you can say pay per use model. Okay, instead of giving them full subscription, give them only necessary whatever they want. For example, Coconut Delight, Country Delight is a mobile app in which they give subscription to coconut milk and everything. So they do not give package in it. Okay, so they give individual. You can choose your subscription as per your use. So it is more like pay how much you are using, you are paying them accordingly. Okay, so you can use this model also. For example, if you only want 3 modules for maybe studying, so will be paying for that only. Now the third is family plan. So family plan, it means that you can, if you buy this, you can add along another person with you. Okay, so this is something that you can do when it comes to the pricing plan. It will impact the revenue also. Okay, and give you a kickstart, a very kickstart push for your subscription plan. Second thing is that you can price it according to the bundles, basically bundle as per the age brackets or the category your audience might be falling in. Okay, for example, if we speak about parenting niche, parenting industry. Okay, so there we can divide our subscription plan according to the age: 3 to 6 years, 6 to 9 years, 9 to 12 years, 12 to 15 years. Okay, and you can price them accordingly and give them exactly what that age group the exact requirement is. Okay, so you can offer age specific bundles. You can you can give them gender specific bundles. You can give them a gifting voucher of kind of bundles, so that they can gift this subscription plan or bundle to someone else. For example, you if you can gift Amazon Prime membership to someone. Okay, and by the way, if you do not know, Amazon Prime membership is one of the best and profitable membership in all over the world. Okay, even compared to other subscription plans. Okay, that is why, because it start with 129 per month, and if you pay it yearly, it goes to 1000 rupees per month. Okay, and now if your subscriptions, if you are selling in different areas of the country, then you can include few of the things. For example, if your bundle is a book reading bundle, okay, then you can particularly target Maharashtra and give them Marathi language bundle kind of thing, content wise. Okay, if you are targeting Hindi people, Hindi speaking people, northeastern people, then you can make your bundle only relevant to Hindi speaking people. And then if you want to cater to all the people, then make your bundle to English language, the generic language. Okay, now, yeah, people want some kind of trust and assurance, so you can give them 14 days full refund policy. Okay, if that is something that will not affect your business. Okay, and by the way, if anything, if you're trying to sell at 1000 rupees, you will only be breaking even, unless until you add bump offer upsells, which will work into the industry. Otherwise, you will be just making losses at the front end. So do not launch your front end by just having a 1000 rupees product. Have the have the better ones offer also, just like your bump offers and upsell, which can increase the average order value. Then only you will be able to make some profit of 15 to 30%. Okay, including everything that you have to offer. Okay, and then you can also include affiliate system in your digital product or subscription model. For example, if someone else refers someone, if someone in your already community refers someone, then they will get some commission, and new users get acquired through that person. So why we are giving commission? Because we are acquiring a new customer that will, or may not will purchase something at the later phase of their buying journey, right? So this is why affiliate system works, because it helps to cater you more people, okay, without investing in advertisement. Okay, so that is why this affiliate marketing works in this whole world, and people have made tons of money using affiliate marketing, right? Now, uh, give them give them better discount and seasonal promotions. For example, if Navratri is coming, is Holi is coming, if Diwali is coming, then give them some these related offers to them, and say, for example, you can say around like Navratri special, get 30% for 3 months off, 3 month off. Valentine's week day offer, in which you will get these 70% off for these second consecutive 7 days. Okay, and you can give them bulk plans for societies, group of people also. This can work to some extent, if it is already tried and tested. Okay, otherwise do not go for it. Now, you can promote your plans in offline engagements such as events. If you are into networking communities, then there you can promote your student plans onto people who are like interested to you, and give them a low entry barrier offer. And then you can say, like, for this limited period of time you can enroll at this point, and then I will be raising prices, and you should be at very fixed thing, that you won't be just joking around. Okay, that you will have continue selling at low prices. So make your offer that valuable in that way. Okay, now, so this is something like you can include in your subscription models, distributed models, if you want. If you want to make little bit of profit here and there. Okay, otherwise you will be just breaking even, or making, or maybe even breaking losses, if you are not able to find out your market fit, audience, target group, and your offer, basically. Okay, and so it will take you around 2 to 3 months to correct these things, and over the time you will be able to easily save it. Okay, so by offering flexible pricing, personalized bundles, having cultural relevance, trust building measures, okay, your authority, community engagement, you will attract more right of set of people for your subscription plans. Okay, and make it irresistible. And if you want a little bit of help regarding making a strategy around it, then I can help you in this. And so you can DM me with this. I rest my voice. Thank you so much.